have great and exciting news for you guys. As you guys know, I am reaching 30,000 subscribers. So there is gonna be a huge giveaway when that happens. And I'm gonna have you guys pick whoever's gonna win. It could be you, it could be someone who comment. So I haven't figured out the logistic of it, but I'm giving away iPhones. And I want to thank you guys for giving me a chance. Give me a voice. 30,000 people, which I'm about to hit. It means a lot for me, and I thank every single one of you guys who sat through all my nonsense videos, who sat through all my videos, and who watched me for the past couple of years. It has been definitely a journey, and it took me a while for me to get where I am right now. But all I know is that I'm happy, I'm grateful, and I'm thankful for all of you guys giving me this opportunity. My goal for this channel is to continue producing better videos, improving my videos all around, and with a little twist. Prior to this, my whole focus was to make every video as perfect as possible. Now I'm just gonna give you me, what I am, what I think, and how I feel about something, and that's just gonna be pure me. I think this is the best way to be honest with your audience. And I mean, I started my first videos, if you go to them, they're horrible, but I improved over time, and I think this is another step of making my video better, with not only in terms of quality, but in terms of the value that I give you guys as the audience. And I think my goal is to make it more fun, more interactive, and definitely more giveaways. From now on, everything that I test that has been sent out to me by a company, I'm just gonna give it away to you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me throughout this whole journey, and we'll definitely continue growing together, stronger every day. And as always, have a good day.